So when you come here, you see that we have different documents. So if you want to create, let's say, an A3 document, so you have saved here. These are the files that you already saved. Then we have photos. So if you are dealing with any photo editing, come to these places. If you are dealing with document printing documents, you come to A3. We have different ones here. So we have A6, A4, A5, A3, and so on and so forth. Then I come to arts and illustration. So this one too is for puzzles. So if you are doing with any arts work too, you are doing for poster, postcard, you come here. You come to web. So if you are doing web designs, you see we have those ones too here. Then you come here, you have mobile. So if you are dealing with the mobile phones, so it becomes the mobile. So this is the mobile. Yes, the mobile phones that we have. If you are dealing with the iPad, you see we are dealing with Apple watches. You see everything is here. Then you come to film and video. So if you are designing a thumbnail, this is how you come. So this is where you come to. So this is the numbers. We have 1001, 1280 and times 720, 1920 and times 780. So all these ones are here, different ones. So but if you want to have your own custom design, so you come to this side. Maybe someone has given you a particular dimension. So we have the width and we have the height. So we have the millimeters. So you can either choose pixels, inches, centimeters, millimeters, points, pixels. So normally we deal with centimeter measurements or millimeters. Yes, so let's say we want to deal with 30 by 30. So 30, then the height to be 30. So after that, you come to this side, so you have create. Now, if you are dealing with CE, maybe you want to, the machine that you are dealing with, normally we use a CMYK color. So you come to CMYK, or you can also use the RGB. So it all depends on what you want to do. So the 8-bit is fine. Then you can just go ahead. Then resolution to here is here. So this resolution deals with the number of boxes. So you can either increase it or, but normally I like using the 300. It makes the quality very high, but you can use 100 if you are dealing with very high dimension. If the dimension is very large, you can stick with 100. I normally like the 300, so you can use the 300. So it just creates a new. So this is the interface. We've created a new document for us to start our design. Yes.